Okay, in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate, uh, today we are going to start mailing in one of the most important menu. But before going to start my lecture, try your best to subscribe our channel Multi Skills Learning Academy and share with your friends, because some of them they can't afford any courses to study like in the office, like they can't afford, so that is online courses. So all the MS Office courses will be available on this channel. Then try your best to share with other friends. Okay, let's start. Come today a word, and today we are going to start mailing. So first of all, we are going to understand the meaning of mailing. Mailing means in the mailing option, the first one is envelope. What does envelope mean, sir? Like before I'm going to send something, so first you will make envelope for that. Like for example, I'm going to send my text to UK. So before going to send my text, I'm going to prepare one of the envelope. Envelope means I'm going to mention the address, return address, so where you want to send this text, so you have to mention in here. Come to click on the envelope. So the first one, number one is there will be two options will available. Number one, delivery address. It means where you want this one to send this letter. So it means I want to send like I want to mention Peshawar in here, this address. But if you want to deliver to any country, any city, so you can mention in here delivery address. Try to remember this point. So I just sent to Peshawar, Pakistan, near Arbab Road, Hayatabad, phase 3. So then you can also mention street number, address, telephone number. So whatever you want, you should add your all details in here, delivery details. Clear? Like as you are going to apply, for example, for the postage office, they are going to send your material to other countries, so they are taking some delivery address from you people. The second address is return address. What does return mean, sir? If this letter I am sending to Ahmad, if he didn't receive this one, if he didn't receive this letter, so it means the return will be Peshawar, Arbab Road, just this one. It means sending and delivery address is this one. My return address is Peshawar Road, or if you want to mention office town, for example, it means that will be returned to here. If he didn't receive my letter, so that will be returned again here. If you want to print this envelope, so you can easily connect a printer with this one, then you can print it from here. Add means I'm going to add my old text in here. Option means if you are going to change their style, so you can easily change, like different type of style is available from here. The next one means e-postage, means if you are going to email postage. E means electronic postage. By email you can send to other people. So I need in this document, so you can easily eat from here. Then click on the A2, then click it yes. When I'm going to click on the yes, so that will be coming here. The first one, look at two addresses mentioned. The first one, number one address is like this is a delivery address. Deliver means that if you are going to forward this one, so this one is delivery address, and this one address is return address. So this paper is put on the envelope, so that is called envelope. Come to the next option is label. Label, where we are going to use the word label. Label means like if you're going to buy any shirt, laptop, any material, they put label over there. Label means the information of something. Click on the label, then here is address. Like for example, I'm making this label for computer, Ali Computer Center. Ali Computer Center. So he have a shop. If anybody is going to buy any laptop, any material, so the sticker, the label which will be available on Ali names. You want to print this one, new document, option, you can change their design, decoration, whatever you want. So click this one, so the design will be available in here. Again, I'm going to change their design, so I need in this design, so you can take this one. Email postage, print, click on the print. If the print is available, so you can easily print. But I don't need any printer. I write again Ali Computer Center. I need this one in the new document. In this document I need it. Click on this one, so automatically that will become. So you can add your all information, then you can put this one on the computer, you can put this one on the shirt, on other label. So I take this design, but there is a lot of design available in here. A lot of design is available. You can also take the small size design, like there is also small designs available on the label. Click here, write your text in here and choose from here. There is a lot of design, like whatever you want, so that will be shown here, right? The next one is like I'm going to write one of the text, like which kind of text, equal rent I'm going to write. So I need this page in which form? In letter form, that will be coming in letter. I need this one in email message form, and I need this letter in the envelope. We already studied here. Label we study in here. Dictionary form, so that will be show if you need, for example, a normal word text document, so that will be looking for a normal document. Or if you are going to make step by step, then click this one. So there is a lot of step available from here. You can choose the steps wise, but I don't need a step wise because the things which I'm choosing from here, that is available in here. You also can make, like for example, I'm going to next click this one, next this one, add a list. Look at, you can also take something from here, but no need of this one because this one is available on the screen here. The next one is, so we already studied this one, right? The next one is choose from Outlook contact. So what does it mean, choose from Outlook contact? Like Outlook is a software for using for sending. You can mention 1000 Gmail on the time in the Outlook. So if I'm going to install Outlook software, in one time you can send 1000 emails by Outlook, but it is important to first install Outlook software. When I install, so here they will show you that Outlook software is not installed yet. So if you're going to install, so that will be working, right? Number 2, use existing list. If you have any list of a people, then you can choose from here and then take it open. All the list of people will be open in here. Like I have 1000 people email list which I write their emails. I'm going to open from here, so you can easily open in this document from this one. In the next lecture, we are going to start from here up to here. How we can make certificate, how we can make a one design for all the students, we can print it individual. So tomorrow inshallah we are going to start this one, and at the end I'm going to tell you again guys, because this course I start free for you, free of cost. Try to subscribe our channel Multi Skills Learn Academy. Try to give them some advantages for people, for poor people who can support their courses and they can pay in the office. So you can try to subscribe our channel. If you are going to subscribe our channel, it means we will be motivated and we will be making more videos for you, like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, accounting software. So I'm going to make this one, but you try to subscribe our video. And thank you so much. Take care and bye.